Good morning everyone. Myself Nirvay Nirmal. I am a student of a BSc MLT in Amity University, Haryana. Today I am going to perform demonstration of clotting time. So I will show you how we will perform clotting time with a glass capillary tube method.
First of all, we will understand what is clotting time. Clotting time is defined as the time interval between onset of bleeding and appearance of gel-like structure or semi-solid mass.
Now I am showing you what are the requirements needed for the clotting time.
Now we can see this is the lancet we will use, and this is the cotton swab, alcohol swab I have purchased from the market, but we can also use the 70% alcohol with cotton or the spirit. Here I have put my phone for the stopwatch. You can put a watch also, a stopwatch which comes in market. And here I am having capillary tubes, glass capillary tubes. From this we will perform a clotting time. If the patient is righty, then we will take the left hand. If patient is lefty, then we will take the right hand, because if we will prick on the working hand, then it can cause the long time of clotting or bleeding time. You can see that I have selected the ring finger of the patient, and with the swab I have just cleaned that area where I have to prick the blood. Now we will prick the blood. Now we will put the capillary tube. Now you can clearly see how the blood is going in the capillary tube by the capillary motion. We can fill full the tube. For the safety purpose, we'll use another capillary tube, and I will keep this capillary tube in a horizontal manner, and I will start the stopwatch, because after 2 minutes of horizontal I will start breaking this. Now another capillary tube I am filling till now. I can see that it is 2 minutes over. I have taken the tube horizontal. After 30 seconds, I will start breaking a small part of the tube, capillary tube, and when I will get a thread-like structure, that time will be the clotting time. It's 30 seconds. You can see I will break the small piece of the capillary tube. Now you can see nothing is there. So we will wait for another 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds is over. I will break the another piece of the capillary tube. Here I have got little bit of fine structure of thread. I will wait for another 30 seconds and I will note down the piece of the capillary tube. Now just see, I have got a thread-like structure here. Immediately I will stop the stopwatch. I can clearly see the thread-like structure. It's writing the CT, that is 4 minutes and 35 seconds. It is the normal. It is in the between the normal value. Normal value is 3 to 7 minutes, or we can say the 4 to 8 minutes. which is in the normal value is this. Patient clotting time is 4 minutes 35 seconds. Clinical significance of clotting time. Clotting time is advised to find clotting disorder, most likely due to clotting factor deficiency, to diagnose hemophilia. Clotting time also gives us the knowledge of vitamin K deficiency if clotting time is greater than normal. Clotting time is mostly preferable in all the cases of operation and surgical process. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.